Welcome to the Non-Residential Lighting Controls and Lighting-Related Envelope Acceptance Testing Requirements video, where you'll learn about California's Building Energy Efficiency Standards, also known as the Energy Code. We'll cover when and where lighting controls and lighting-related envelope acceptance testing is required, which sections of the Energy Code apply, and we'll go over the documents you'll need to be compliant. Lighting controls acceptance testing is required when certain indoor and outdoor lighting controls are installed. The indoor controls include automatic shutoff controls, automatic daylighting controls, demand responsive controls, and institutional tuning controls. While the outdoor controls that require acceptance testing include motion sensing controls, photo controls, astronomical time switch controls, and automatic scheduling controls. On a related note, envelope acceptance testing is required for 3 daylighting envelope features used to earn power adjustment factors for lighting systems. These include clear stories, horizontal slats, and light shelves. It is important to remember that the envelope acceptance tests are not considered lighting controls, and therefore, they do not require a certified lighting controls acceptance test technician to complete them. Examples of people that can complete the envelope acceptance tests include builders, installers, contractors, field technicians, and designated responsible parties. Acceptance testing applies to all new construction, additions, and certain alteration projects containing these lighting control devices or daylighting envelope features. New construction is the construction of entirely new buildings. Additions include any change that increases the conditioned floor area and volume of a building. It also refers to changes that increase the illuminated area of an outdoor lighting application. For both new construction and additions, buildings 10,000 square feet or greater must include the test results in commissioning documents per Section 120.8. Lighting alterations refer to the replacement of any lighting component, system, or equipment regulated by the Energy Code. Most of these projects will also require lighting controls acceptance testing. However, certain lighting alteration projects are exempt from the lighting controls acceptance testing requirements. Now that we know when and where lighting controls acceptance testing is required, let's take a closer look at the Energy Code sections and compliance documents that apply. Reference non-residential appendices NA 7.4, NA 7.6, NA 7.7 and NA 7.8 cover the acceptance test procedures required, including construction inspections and functional tests. Lighting controls acceptance testing must be completed by the Certified Lighting Controls Acceptance Test Technician, or ATT, while envelope acceptance testing may be completed by anyone. NA 7.4 includes the acceptance tests for the daylighting design power adjustment factors that are part of the building envelope. This includes clear stories, horizontal slats, and light shelves. NA 7.6 covers the acceptance tests for indoor lighting controls. This includes automatic daylighting controls, shutoff controls, and demand responsive controls. NA 7.7 includes the acceptance tests for the institutional tuning power adjustment factor, and NA 7.8 includes the acceptance tests for outdoor lighting controls. This includes motion sensing controls, photo controls, astronomical time switch controls, and automatic scheduling controls. All acceptance tests ensure that the control devices or envelope features are properly positioned, adjust the lighting according to the Energy Code requirements, and contain the features required by the Energy Code. Results from the lighting controls acceptance tests must be documented by the Lighting Controls ATT on the applicable certificates of acceptance. Results from the envelope acceptance tests must be documented on the applicable certificates of acceptance by whomever completed the tests or the designated responsible party. The official lighting controls certificates of acceptance may only be accessed by a certified lighting controls ATT through their approved acceptance test technician certification provider, or ATTCP portal. Similarly, ATTs must submit the completed forms through this portal. Completed forms are then shared with the local enforcement authority for review during the final inspection. All certificates of acceptance are available for download as PDFs on www.energycodeace.com. It is important to remember that the lighting control forms are for informational purposes only. Let's recap what we've learned. Lighting control acceptance tests are required when certain indoor and outdoor lighting controls are installed. Envelope acceptance tests are required when certain daylighting envelope features are installed. Acceptance testing applies to all new construction and additions and to certain alteration projects. And lighting controls acceptance test results must be documented by a certified ATT and submitted to the local enforcement authority for review during the final inspection. That wraps up our review of the lighting controls and envelope acceptance testing requirements. For more information, visit the Energy Commission website at energy.ca.gov/Title 24/ATTCP.